Just going to play some nice music with the bash, guys. But again, if you do not own one of these RCs, make sure that you get yourself one, because it is absolutely epic. It is as tough as 3 granite rocks. It's just an absolute incredible vehicle, guys. And remember that we are giving away one as soon as we reach 1,000 subscribers. So make sure that you are subscribed and you are eligible to be in the drawing to win that prize. Awesome, guys. Enjoy it. Today we are going to be giving this little 1/16 scale Ravage HBX brushless monster truck a go at the local skate park. As you can see, skate park looks awesome. There's a couple of jumps. I've got my boy here with me. John Luke, say hello. John Luke, hierso vir my. Say hello. Waai vir die kamera hier bo my kop. This thing has been really bulletproof so far. I've given it a couple of bashes and I just want to show you guys how it performs at the skate park. It's really nice. I still don't know what the size of the motor is on this thing, so yeah, let's give it a go. Put the controller on. Give it a bash. Oh! Whoa! Wonder if it survived. Let's quickly check. Oh, awesome! Guys, as you can see, this truck is just absolutely bulletproof. It just takes everything you throw at it.
Ella es mi motivation, corre la semilita como béisbol. Baby, if the surfer como Draco, dígame yes, baby don't say no. Imaginando, tú tan la mía, baby sería un sueño, you know. Pero si fuera real, mi amor, imaginando, tú tan la mía, baby sería un sueño, you know. Pero si fuera real. mi amor. Te daría un beso. Tres besos, solo vive el momento conmigo, mi amor. Te daría un beso. Tres besos, solo vive el momento conmigo, mi amor. No le pare, no le pare, no le pare ya. No le pare, no le pare, no le pare ya. Oye mami, no le pare. Vamos a hacer que esta vida sea una vida inolvidable. Digan lo que digan, ya tú sabes que si estamos.
Okay guys, as you can see, this truck, oh, it's got a bent driving shaft there. You guys see that? But other than that, guys, it is absolutely solid as a rock. Okay, let's go for another bash. It just doesn't have any into it. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get up this little what do you call it? Okay guys, a different angle for the approach here. So watch out, man. Oh, ja, mooi meisje.
Cuando estás conmigo, ¿cómo te lo explico? Siento que tu abrazo me protege contra el frío.
So yeah, it seems like the battery is flat. Let's quickly do a damage assessment. Okay, so we've just got that little bent shaft, driving shaft on the left hand side of the rear wheel or the rear of the vehicle. But other than that, apart from the grass brushes that it took off, and there you can see the LED lights popped out of the bumper. But yeah, I mean, that's just a quick slide it in fix. It's an absolute beautiful vehicle, really good. It's one that I really highly recommend, guys. It just keeps on going and going and going, and I'm probably gonna buy myself another one. It's an awesome little vehicle. There you can see, guys, the shaft is a little bit done for, but yeah, I think it's awesome. Highly recommend this one. I cannot recommend it more. Go out and get yourself one right now if you haven't yet. Cheers guys, I hope you enjoyed this one.